to my channel. If you're new, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a wig review. This wig is from CurlsCurls. It is the natural curly V-part wig. It's 100% human hair. It's soft and it's easy to manage. You guys are going to see what I'm talking about, but just take a look at this curls. The wig pattern is the 3B3C natural curly wig and the length is 18 inches. I decided to wash this wig because you always have to. I love washing my wigs before putting them on my hair or before installing them. I use this shampoo I have at home and I just sprinkled it all over it and decided to start washing it. When I was washing this hair, I noticed it was very easy for my hand to pass through the curls. There were not much tangles. I didn't experience much tangles. I just passed through very easily and very smoothly. So you guys are going to see the amount of shed hair, or I don't know if it's breakage or shed hair, I didn't experience so much. Like with the way I was sliding my hand through the strand, I was very impressed as to how much hair came off. So it was very little, very tiny, not so much. I just kept on doing the same thing, and maybe like 2 to 3 strand extra came out when I was rinsing the hair. So the breakage is not so bad, or it's not bad. Now this is the curl pattern. I did not condition it because I don't have any conditioner for my wigs at home, so I just air dried it, and this is what the curls are looking like. You can see the 3B3C-ness in the curls. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys my curl pattern, my braiding pattern, sorry. I have 2 braids going down on the middle, 2 braids going down towards the side, and then I have about 3 to 4 big braids on and flat twist around the perimeter of my head. Is it the perimeter? I don't know, but yeah, this pattern is very efficient if you are someone who you're not sure if you want like a middle part or a side part. And I also have like 2 cornrows going down where I crochet the ends of the ones in front, the braids and the flat twist in front, just to keep the end secure and make sure everything is set and ready for the wig. So this pattern was because I wanted to do a side part, but I also wanted to show you guys what a middle part would look like. So the wig came with 4 clips in front. That's the part you're going to be clipping on your hair, as well as 3 combs, 2 by the side and 1 at the back. It also came with a headband or an elastic band. I don't know what you guys call it, headband or elastic band. I'm sure it's elastic band. But yeah, this is how it came. It's very lightweight, not heavy in any way, and I'm going to start installing it now. So installing this wig, I requested for a medium cap because I don't like stress. Do you get? My head is not so small, so I like opting for medium size cap because let it just work out. I would prefer it's bigger than smaller, if that makes any sense. So I'm just attaching the clips to the big flat twist beside the braids. I know my wig cap is showing. This is not the final look. You guys are going to see the final look pretty soon, but I know my wig cap is showing. Just make sure you attach it firmly but not so tight to pull on your hair or on your edges. So if you do not do braids beside the tiny braids for your leave out section, then it's going to make sense. The next step is crocheting. In order to avoid having leave out with my own natural hair, I decided to just crochet it, and this is going to give the illusion of it being my hair. So if you don't know how to crochet, there are 1,000,001 videos on YouTube showing ways to crochet your hair, but this time around I'm just pulling hair from the wig itself and then passing it through the tiny braid I have. This is one of the reasons why I made the braids as tiny and as close to each other as possible, so when you crochet it, it's actually very close to itself and it looks like a natural part. So I'm just going to show you guys the other side, how I'm crocheting it. I'm going to put the crochet needle, put the hair over the section of the hair I've taken, close the needle and then pull it out, and just pull the rest of the hair out and set it with the other parts of the hair. This is what the middle part is going to look like. This is what is going to feel like if I was going for a middle part. But that was not the dream or the vision I had for this hair, okay? I wanted to just show you guys the middle part. The main vision is a side part, because I noticed side part works better for me. You need to know your face and your head and what works for you. Side part works for me. You guys should also stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to take out the hair at the end of this video, so just stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to be putting the hair as a side part on my head. If I was to wear this wig any other time apart from this time, I'm going to wear it as a side part. I'm not going to wear it as a middle part, just cause side part looks better on me when it comes to curly hair, and it suits my face shape better. That's what I've noticed. Do you know what parts suit your face better? Just let me know in the comment section. Anyways, this is what the hair is looking like. I'm absolutely loving it. I know it looks a mess, but we're going to make it work. So I had to go to the bathroom to crochet the part, because honestly I could not see from my recording room, and I don't have like a smaller mirror close to me. The mirror I had is like 1 feet away, so I could not really see properly, and I didn't want to like be pulling my hair since this is crochet. So I decided to come to the bathroom where the mirror I can see it properly and still kind of record and show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm doing exactly the same process with what I did for the middle part. I'm picking up hair from the wig, like the first how do I explain it, the strand of hairs that are close to where the wig ends. That's where I'm picking up hair from, and then I'm just crocheting it through my hair just so it works and it just covers up and looks like a part. So I'm going to keep on doing that until I complete the whole thing. I'm going to keep on doing the whole crochet method. Please be careful when you're crocheting the front part of your hair, because if your edges are like thinning out, use smaller sections of hair or pick up smaller sections. Don't pick up huge chunk of hair to pass through a tiny part like what I was about to do there. Anyways, one thing I would say is when you're clipping your wig, make sure it's not pulling on your edges, because this wig is very like it can clip properly on your hair, and try as much as possible to make sure it's not clipping on your edges. The curls are long lasting and it can be dyed, it can be straightened. So if you're someone who do not fancy curly hair, you can also straighten this hair as well. And you know me guys, I am someone who I like to experiment with my hairs. Don't be shocked if I wake up one day and decide to straighten this hair. The hair is affordable. It starts from $135, so it's very affordable and it ships really fast. So I'm going to like just finger detangle it and spray it with a little bit of water. Mind you, there's no products or anything on this hair, it's just water, and you can see how lovely the curls are looking. They are still curled. I didn't use any curling cream or mousse. If you want the curls to pop out more, I would suggest you use maybe a curling cream or mousse. Mousse would usually do the job for me, but I just wanted to show you guys like the hair in its raw form. Now I'm trimming it because we cannot walk around with long strands of hair without definition, because we have to define this wig. Like the difference it made after I finished trimming it, I was like, wow, who is this? Because look at me going in with the scissors, acting like I know what I'm doing, but at the end of the day, I did not ruin it, guys. I did not ruin this hair. Please, can we give a round of applause for Sister Glory? I'm joking, but this is the final result. This is what the hair is looking like. It's absolutely stunning. It's giving, I don't know, like it's just a very different look for me, and I look really nice with the wig. I love the shape, I love the shaping, I love the side parts, I love everything about this wig, to be honest. I would shapen it more, but I didn't want to look like I'm cutting away all of the hair, but this is what it looks like, and I absolutely love it, love it. Okay, so I would wear this hair to probably like a dinner date. I would wear this to church, I would wear this to events, I would wear this anywhere, whenever I look formal, whenever I want to look pretty, this is the wig. Okay, this is the wig. Just look at the shape. Let me allow you guys enjoy it, and I'll show you guys how to take out the wig in a few seconds. Okay. So now it's time for me to take out the wig. I showed you guys when I had like the middle part. So this is how easy it is to take out the wig. What you do is pull out the section you crocheted, take it to the other direction, put your hand and just pull it away from that section. That's how easy it is. It's like reversing what you did. You just have to put your finger and pull it out, and yeah, and then you take out the clips. You have to be very, very, very conscious and very, light when you're taking out the clips, and make sure you do not pull on your hair, okay? Because that's not what we want. We want to look good, but we don't want to be in pains or stress our natural hair out. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.